Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good afternoon. Such a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. Can you imagine? This is January 12th of 2026. So warm. I can wear this. So let's do an outfit of the day. I'm just in such a good spirit, bright sunshine, and so that is it. Let's see. So this is the outfit, and a little bit I put into hanger, and my it's a little bit wrinkled because too many clothes stack up together, but it's okay. So you can see I have a new pair of shoes. Okay, lift up a little bit. And so comfortable, this pair of shoes, so comfortable. The color is a little bit lighter than the dress, but it's the same family of color. Don't you think so? So comfortable. Now we take a look at this pair of shoes. Put it here. Okay, so here is the shoes and two little birds, and it's so comfortable. You can bend, you can move, just so comfortable. Let me take it out. So easy. And round tip, just make it very, very comfortable. Makes me want to move. Pocket, the best thing for the skirt, for the dress. Okay, I think I'm being silly enough. I love you. I really do. Do. Goodbye. Bye.